So I'm going to automate the dustbin. It will open the lid on its own with the loop, hanger loop here, and I'll attach it to the door. So what all I have got is a ribbon, scissors, normal membership cards that I have folded in half, one membership card which I have not folded, and then a double-sided tape, strong double-sided tape. So I'll put the folded card thing here so that it can pull the ribbon through this. And the other one I'll put here so that it can lift the flap. So let me just fold it a bit so that I can put the loop here. Now I have already pasted the double-sided tape. Take it off. So this is a strong tape taken from Daiso. Now I'll stick it on the lid. Before that, I'll clean the top. Now I'll and I'll put the other flap on the door. Which is here in the middle. Should be parallel to the hook which is there, so it should be somewhere here. I'll take the other side of the double tape which I've already pasted here and then paste it in parallel. It's done. See? And now, as the last piece of automation, so knots, then putting on the loop and here. So once I open it, it will be up, so it should be here. So I can cut it, maybe a little extra. And fold it and put it here. So just ensure this is open, lid is also open, so it should be a little tight. So now see. Ooh. See. So I will do the double knot so that it doesn't loosen up. And now done. Closed. Open. Closed. Open. Closed. Let me show you here. Open and closed. So that's the automation needed. This loop can go out from here, but I'll see for a few days. Otherwise, I'll put, just to be on safer side, I'll put a tape here so that it doesn't come out. But yeah, thanks for watching.